Alright y'all, welcome back to JJV Homestead Study. And wow, we have a lot going on in here since the last time I videoed it. I'm going to have to put some stakes up, and look out, I see deer tracks in there. They did get in there. So let's see what kind of damage they did. I think I see deer tracks in there. One thing I was going to come and discuss was dealing with deer on your homestead, and they definitely got in here. They don't look like they went far before they decided they were going to get back out of here. And I saw about 15 deer on my property yesterday, so they didn't do anything to the cucumbers. Amazingly, they didn't eat any of my beans. Oh yes, look, there's one that's been nibbled on. These are supposed to be bush bean varieties, but oh yeah, they hit them a little bit. You can see right there. See that? They hit them. Not too bad. But I noticed I had a problem last night. My contenders look great, so don't look like they even messed with them, which is good. I didn't want them to. But they definitely came in here and helped themselves to a little snack. Well, but the problem I'm having is that you can barely see it. But this is the fencing that I got up, and it's definitely never going to be high enough to totally stop the deer. And if I can just dissuade them from coming in, then I've done what I needed to do. And I use fencing that, okay, this was fencing that was here before, and this was some old chicken wire I had laying around, but you can see it really lays down too far, and this is where they came in. They just happily jumped over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this to make it a lot less easier for them. Alright y'all, I decided to go ahead and till, because they had a lot of grass coming up, and you might have saw that, and you can see it in between. So I got to go with the hoe and come hoe this stuff out of here, cultivate it out with a hoe. Probably just a 4 or 5 prong cultivator rake. But I decided to go ahead and run the tractor and get this done while I could. I had one issue I ran into. I kind of got this tomato, but I got a trellis too, so that's part of today. So that's going to get all trellised up. So it's okay. I did see one thing I did not like. Where is it? It was right around here, I believe. Oh, it looked like my super dupers. I think, no, this is mortgage lifters. So a deer must have clipped this off and ate it. It's all right. That's a sucker area right there. It's gonna put something else right here, I can tell. So that's gonna grow another branch. But that stinks that deer did that. Look, it even got this one right here. They're not supposed to like tomatoes too much, but that's bullcrap. They'll eat a tomato. Look at that. That's good though to have them, from what I understand. They eat all the bad bugs, so I'm gonna leave that. To put up the fence and get it stretched right. Cause I got the post up. I'm just gonna drape the wire on there, kind of stretch it. I'm actually gonna bring it up off the ground. I don't care about rabbits. Rabbits ain't gonna do me nothing over here. Especially once they get a little bit higher. And I don't have too many rabbits. I do see some, but I'm more worried about the deer. Deer annihilate everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring the fencing back. See how I pulled it off and brought it all the way over here? I'm just going to bring it back and stretch it back out. This side's high enough. Okay, y'all, I got this fence up better, and it's higher. And I like to use these. I made these a long time ago as tomato stakes, and this is I think a 1/4 inch. Yeah, 1/4 inch. I think it's 1/4 inch rebar, and I cold gal sprayed them. And these things, I've had these for years, and they last forever. But they make great temporary posts. I can put them on here, and it holds it up high enough. It's about waist height on me. So if a deer wants to get in there, this deer can definitely jump this easy, but it's just a deterrent, and this deterrent is going to work for them based off of my past experience. Now, I did have a deer getting hit the other day, but these were so low. They were like down to my knees low. And I really had gotten lucky up to that time that they hadn't gotten in there and just annihilated this garden. So, and I got lucky really. I just leave myself a little entrance right here. And I'm gonna take this I found an old mess of wire, and I'll bring that and I'll put that right there in front of that entrance. And what that'll do, let me bring it around like this. What that'll do is keep the chickens out of there, because they like to go in right there. They'll go in under it in the corners, but generally they won't. I gotta shoo them out every now and then. But it also, the deer will find that little hole and go in there, but with this in front of it, they won't. So I got it up. I don't know if you can see it, because these fences never come up too good on the videos. The good thing is it doesn't come up too good from the road, so it doesn't make a bad view, or like it doesn't come up too much from far away, so it doesn't look like I got a bunch of scraggly fences up like I really do. But look at that garden. Look how pretty that is now. Nice. Anything that you can use for fencing is important. Look, this is old chicken wire I repurposed, and I use that for fencing around here. So it's good enough just to keep the deer out. If it's just tall, they won't come in. And see, it's open on the bottom. I don't even worry about the rabbits. The rabbits, you know, they get around here. They're not going to annihilate everything quite as bad as the deer. The deer will annihilate the gardens. But you get one deer in here, and if you don't spook him out, he will just destroy everything. She will just destroy everything. Look how pretty these plants are, y'all. These are just beautiful plants. Beautiful. Look, that one got its top cut off by the deer. So I got to come in here, kind of trim up some of these, and get them where they need to be. Anyway, I just wanted to go over cattle panels and trellising and a little fencing. See, this is old repurposed fencing. Never throw away. Look, that's all rusted. It's falling apart right here. I mean, the little tack welds they put on there coming off. But heck yeah, I'm going to use that. Yes, I ain't going to throw that away. It works for fencing. Works dang good for fencing. A lot of people would have probably thrown this old raggy chicken wire away. And see this old piece of wire right here? I don't throw anything away over here. I don't throw any old wire away. I do not. I do not do that. It's pokey. See, I had another spool of that stuff right here. Another spool of that fencing. And then I got some other fencing right here, a girl at work gave me. I use that too, that chain link. I use that for fencing that a few times. I wonder what that was. That a snake or was that a skink? Salamander or something. Anyway, I was gonna use it for a drag. Then I got some other stuff I was gonna use for a drag, and then for a drag behind my tractor to do fields. Now I got something else that I'm gonna use for that. So I'm good. Yeah, see, I got a bunch of cattle panels, whole bunch of them, and then I got some more wire rolled up right there. So I need to get that off the ground now. That's gonna rot on the ground. So cattle panels, and I'm pretty sure I got more over here.